Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Once again, this is Mildred 44 channel. For today's vlog or for today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a AdSense on your videos or to your live videos. So eto guys, eto dito sa search bar, isa-search natin ang YouTube Studio, which is meron na ako dito. So I just click it in here and then go to sign in YouTube, and then here we go. I'm gonna go there. Sign in. So here we go guys, nandito na tayo sa my YouTube Studio. So hanapin ko yung gusto kong dagdagan ng ads. Like let's say doon ako sa my live. So like let's say this one, I want to add AdSense in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to click this one here, and then you can see the video is there. That's how you know that you can add a AdSense. So click here, or you look for the dollar sign and then click for the dollar sign here, and then once this one comes on, so here we go guys, we're going to manage mid-roll. That's when you want to add more ads on your live stream or your videos. So here you see that it start like ads will start after 1 minute, but if you wanted to put here, the ads will start 30 minutes or 30 seconds rather, 30 seconds. So you can do it that way, or even if you want to put like 45 minutes. So this first one here is minutes, or the first one is hour, then minutes, and then the seconds, and then the frames is the last one. So you can scroll this up and down, so you can see in between that there is gap. So if you want to add in between those gap, you can. So you just click this add break, so it goes 000, and then put the time that you want. And then after doing that, you can so you can see it here how close the ads will be. So after doing that, you can press continue and then save. So there you go guys, that's all set up. So if you want to go back, and again go to other videos, so again just do the same thing. You go to here, the analytics, click on analytics, and then dollar sign, and look for the mid-rolls. So there you go guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you so much.